Okay, so first of all, this.
Oh, they got it.
The outer layer. Okay, the serous membrane. This is these three parts. You see this pink, yellow, and gray. It's all the serous membrane. This is the outer connective tissue layer, an adipose layer, and the areolar layer.
Yeah, we knew that.
I know.
Areolar.
Yeah, but this and like that thing I was telling you about the cell. This is a model that shows like all the possibilities of the intestines. So if this is a Peyer's patch and this is a Brunner's gland, like from here, this would be the duodenum. But this, because it has a Peyer's patch, would be the ileum. And so that's like, because that really confused me in 2A when she had like that all-inclusive cell, you know what I mean?
That had all the possibilities.
Yeah, because you wouldn't have both of these in the same part of the intestines. This would be one part and this would be the other part, duodenum and the ileum.
Wait, there are two parts in there?
Yeah,
yes.
This is the ileum.
Because this is a Peyer's patch. Peyer's patch is only found in the ileum, and this is the Brunner's gland, see? And you would find that in duodenum. It's just a model that's showing all the possibilities of the different parts. And remember, the jejunum doesn't have any...
it wouldn't have either, right?
Yeah. So
that's why the jejunum is not posted. So
and
if
then,
she goes... Yeah.
Yeah. And then, bile duct, veins and arteries here. And then this is the villus, or the villi, plural, right?
What is this?
The villus. That's one is a villus. All of them are villi. And then these are crypts.
I think that's a gland, isn't it?
No. This is the crypt.
This just this little...
The dip right here is a crypt. In the stomach, they're called gastric pits.
Yeah.
So don't confuse pits and crypts. This is the what's the word I'm looking for? Lamina propria. Thank you. And the muscularis mucosae. And then this is the submucosa, inner circular layer, outer longitudinal layer. So this cut of the sample would be like the long ways. So like if this was a carrot, it would be like we cut down the middle of the carrot the long way, not a cross section.
Okay.
And that was in a quiz, and she made a little quiz at the end of the histology PowerPoint, and she asked that question, so I asked for this model. And this is the long cut, a longitudinal cut of the sample.
So she goes, what kind of cut is it?
Yeah, it's either cross section or longitudinal. This is longitudinal.
Because if this is the circular, like she said, you have to get it all the way
Right.
around.
So if you cut down the middle of the circle, it's going to look like this. If you cut long ways, you're going to see the long ways. You know.
So what are these?
What?
Is it the gland or?
No, these are the crypts. That's a crypt. It's just showing you from the side.
So where's the gland? Because the gland is beneath the crypts.
Right. Well, this is the Brunner's gland.
Yeah.
Oh,
Brunner's
okay,
gland
I see it right here.
and Peyer's patch.
Okay.
So it's the villi, villus.
So if this is a Peyer's patch, then you would know you're in the ileum.
So this is the ileum. This is a duodenum.
Yeah. The only thing that's making it an ileum or duodenum is that detail right there.
Is Peyer's patch a gland?
Yeah, it's like a nodule.
It's a collection of lymphatic cells.
So they would be going out through the green.
I suppose.
Because this is...
It looks really...
This is the lymph, right? You said the lymph?
Yeah, that's the lacteal duct.
Yeah.
They're big. On the histology slides, these are really big. You can
It's the
see
green.
them.
Oh, okay.
On the histology pictures, these are pretty big. Remember, they'll be right next to each other. It won't be like you won't see one. You'll see a couple of them, lined up, kind of like that. And then the Brunner's
What
gland.
did she say these were again?
What?
These.
Oh, the yellow.
Oh, that's
Nerves.
Myenteric.
So it's part of your plexus.
Is it the myenteric plexus?
Yeah, this would be the myenteric plexus, and this would be your
submucosal plexus.
Submucosal plexus. Yeah.
Yes.
And that's both of those plexuses are part of your enteric nervous system.
So lamina propria, submucosa.
No, lamina propria.
Lamina propria, and then...
These are villus.
Okay, villus, lamina propria.
Muscularis mucosae.
Muscularis mucosae. And then what's this?
This is submucosa.
Oh, okay.
Inner circular layer. This is a
No, but
crypt.
she's asking about the red.
I'm not
Those
sure.
are parietal cells, I think.
Where the red is?
That red.
Good detail.
Or no, sorry, I'm in the wrong organ. My bad. Yeah, what is?
I'm not sure if it might be, I don't know if it's like a vein or an artery or
Well,
something.
it is secreting some kind of like enzyme cell, and then there's some mucus above it. Is it secreting?
Is it the Brunner?
No, this is the
No, this is the
Brunner's
Brunner's gland.
Brunner's gland. And
You
this
see over
one,
here?
the
Peyer's patch.
tire patch.
Yeah, so that's the Brunner's gland
Oh,
right here.
this the Brunner.
Yeah.
So what are the blue dots?
I'm not. They have to be the because what are lined up here? They're these. It's the same thing that's right here.
Goblet cells?
Yeah, I think they're goblet cells, but
Just
I'm not sure.
microvilli, or is it microvilli or just the villi?
She just said it was just villi. Yeah,
Yeah, and then the
And then the
microvilli
lymphatic,
would
right?
be like on top of
lymphatic.
Lymphatic and tire patch.
Yeah, that's a good question. I think you might be right. I think those are what are they?
Panneth cells.
What are they?
Panneth cells.
Pannis?
Do we need to know that though? I don't.
I think so.
Probably.
So, yeah.
So what the dark blue?
I'm not sure what they
That is part. I think it's part of the Peyer's patch. Whatever it's
So what
releasing.
is it all just this?
This is all the Peyer's patch. This weird looking.
Okay, okay, okay.
They
Yeah.
secrete lysozyme, phospholipase, and defensins.
Defensive proteins that resist bacterial invasion of the
What about these blue ones? Do you think they're the goblet cells?
Yeah, goblet.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah,
Huh?
it's like
Okay.
the mucin in the goblet.
So this goblet and this is the absorptive cell.
absorptive cells, yeah.
Yeah, the pink one. Okay.